All right, workout today. This is a treat, especially after yesterday. It is an interval style workout, 4 rounds, 3-minute intervals. You are going to start with 75 double unders, then do 25 burpees, and then with the remainder of the time, you're going to do as many toes to bar as you can. You'll have 1 minute to rest before you repeat that cycle 3 additional times, so 4 total rounds. Your score for this thing is the total volume of toes to bar that you get. And the goal essentially is to get some toes to bar every single round. Might be a little bit higher in the first round and then a little bit less in the later rounds. JB, what do you got?
How many burpees are we going to do in the last 2 weeks?
We're getting ready for the open right here.
Okay. I thought the barbells were worn out.
Yeah, we need some new equipment.
We do wall balls and burpees.
Hey, there's plenty of fitness to be had in wall balls and burpees. So I'll take you guys through those movements. Make sure we've got a number there that's going to allow you to get some toes to bar each and every round. But what I need from you now is everybody's going to grab a jump rope, find a little bit of floor space, but then I'm going to send you on a run. So everybody go and find their jump rope, find some floor space, and then I'll give you the next steps. Todd Ochiutto here. I'm one of the coaches on the Knowledge Pro team, and I began CrossFit in 2006, started coaching in 2008, opened my first affiliate in 2011, and got on seminar staff in early 2013. Since then, I've opened an additional affiliate. I've become a CrossFit Level 4 trainer. I've also judged at the CrossFit Games, created content for CrossFit.com, the CrossFit Journal, and all their social media channels, and I've done a lot of things in the space. Now, what I'm really excited about and working on now is creating content for the Knowledge Pro. Now, the Knowledge Pro is this community of coaches that are just trying to push forward and become better themselves and really level up the entire coaching community within CrossFit. Now, the Knowledge Pro has live calls a couple days a week where we can get together, we can discuss topics that are going on in the community and take a deeper dive into the theory behind CrossFit and also practical application drills that we can use to level up our actual coaching on the floor. Now, with those specific lessons, you get details on what's important and what we can work on to be an above average and world-class coach, and then we give you drills to go and practice actually doing those things. Those drills include homework that you're gonna record and bring back to the calls. Then we'll dive into that actual homework, watching videos on the call, discussing it, answering questions, giving live feedback. It's a great community for, once again, people that just want to be better coaches and want to level up their coaching game. So check it out if you're not already a part of the Knowledge Pro. All right, now what I want you guys to do, jump ropes are gonna go down on the ground. You guys are gonna go 200-meter jog for me. So out the door, down to the 200-meter mark, back in this door over here. Here we go. All right, team, as you make your way in, go ahead and grab your jump rope for me. All right, we are going to begin with some single unders. This is what we're looking for right here. What I want you guys to think about is trying to keep your feet right underneath your hips, squeeze your belly tight for me, and then also pin your elbows next to your side and let your wrists spin the rope. Go ahead and start jumping just with some regular old single unders for me. Nice. John, bring those feet a little bit closer together. Mindy with that heavy rope. She's warming up them forearms. I like it. Nice. Matt, crunch your abs down just a little bit. All right, team, you can stop your jump rope. Go ahead and set that thing down. We are going to do some air squats. So this is what we're looking for with this one. Everybody go ahead and widen your feet. I want your heels underneath your shoulders. I want you guys to think about your butt going back, knees going out. Go ahead and start squatting for me. I'll tell you guys when to stop. There we go. See how that feels? Yeah, there was a little bit of grunting from me earlier today when we did that. Think butt back just a little bit more as you're starting that squat. There we go. Nice. Bring those heels out just a little bit for me, Dano. Yep, same with you, Meredith. Bring your feet a little bit wider. JB, how you feeling after yesterday? Not too bad? Perfect. Fernando, what about you? Sore? Yes? How did we do? You're giving me a smile. That's a good sign, I guess, right? Yes. All right, you guys can go ahead and relax with that. Now, we are going to do some mountain climbers, but I want your foot to get all the way flat. So you're down here, jump from one side to the other, try to get that foot all the way up by your hand. Go ahead and alternate legs here for me. Nice. There we go. Take a little time to warm up those hips. Allie, are you sore or not too bad? Your wings didn't get clipped enough? Or they got clipped too much? Is that what it was? I gotcha. Baseline normal sore. All right, you guys can go ahead and come up from that for me. Now what you're going to do is find a spot on the pull-up rig, and I want everybody just to give me 10 scap pull-ups. So you're going to hang, pinch your feet together, relax your shoulders, and then engage your lats. Everybody find a spot on the pull-up bar and give me 10 reps. Nice. Aaron, think feet together for me and squeeze your legs. There we go. Same, John, pinch your legs together. Crunch your abs down a little bit more. Nice, Matt. Once you guys finish 10 reps there, make your way back over to your jump rope for me. All right, now we're going to start jumping rope, trying to begin with just one foot, beginning with our right, just hopping off on the balls of your feet. What I want you guys once again to think about is elbows close to your side, let your wrists spin the rope. Go ahead and start with just that right foot. If you guys haven't heard the music yet, we've got a tribute playlist going on today. Anybody hear the news about who we lost yesterday? Toby Keith. Well, and this is Sawyer Brown, but let's see. Here we go. Oh, this is it right here. All right, go ahead and switch to your left foot for me. Left foot. I think this is my soundtrack right here. All right, jump rope can go back down. Let's do this. You're going to give me 12 reps of that air squat again this time. 12 reps of that squat. Same deal. Hips go back. Drive those knees out. There we go. John, man, push those knees out nice and hard. Aaron, same deal. Keep pushing those knees out hard. So legs aren't too bad. We did the right number?
No, they're fine, yeah.
Okay.
Well, onion, I'm sore, but I've been
All right, good. Jen, bring your feet in just a touch for me. There we go. After you guys finish that, we're back down to our mountain climbers. Give me a total of 16 of these, so 8 on each leg, jumping side to side. Try to get that heel all the way up and flat on the ground. Nice, JB. I know, right? Yeah, I was kind of shocked too. I didn't realize he was 62 years old. All right, then you're going back to the pull-up bar. This time you guys are giving me kip swings. Take a look over here real quick. Same deal, feet are together, belly's tight, and you're just gonna push and pull. So think about pulling that bar back and then pressing it forward. Give me 12 reps of a kip swing. There we go. Pinch those feet together for me, Andrew. That's it. And wrap your thumbs around for me, will you? There you go. Thank you. Daniel, try not to let those knees bend when they come behind you. So keep your legs straight and flex your quads, Dan. So instead of this, just think keep the legs straight and the quads tight as you're doing that. All right, back to your jump rope for me one more time, team. Should we put that on after the competition this weekend? All right, we're gonna go back to our single unders, but I want a higher jump from you here. So it's gonna look like this. You're gonna need to slow down the cadence of your hand. I want you to try to get a little higher off the ground, but don't pull your legs up. It's like you're pressing the ground away from you here. Give me 30 reps of that single under with a higher jump. John, which was the best Rocky? Which number?
I think the second one.
Second one's it? Anybody else have an opinion? JB, are you a big Rocky fan or no?
Not that
Not the same? All right, jump ropes go back down. Let's get back through 12 squats, 16 of our mountain climbers, and then we'll go back to 10 more of our kip swings. I know I've talked about this in every class so far, but we're about wrapping up. Griselda, anybody seen that one yet? Andrew's like, you talk about it every single day. It's like, that's probably not going to watch it.
Hey, you gotta go watch Queen of the South, too. It's like
Somebody mentioned that one today. What is that one about?
the same thing.
Is it the same?
I don't know if it's her, but it's a female joke.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm all in. They've got me committed to this thing, so I can do it. Oh, so Camilla's got the insight here. There we go. Oh, look at the new footwear. 10 more of the kip swings. Yep, same thing. 10 more of the kip swings. There we go. Widen your hands just a little bit, John. There we go, Jen. Don't worry about kicking your legs up quite as high on that front side. There we go. All right. What's that? Oh, if this doesn't get you fired up to do burpees and jump rope, oh, this is it right here. If this doesn't get you fired up, you don't have a pulse, huh? All right, so go ahead and grab your jump rope again. We're going to go over our double unders. We see these in our workout. With the workout, we've got 75 reps. We're looking for a number of double unders that we can do in no more than about a minute. So we're going to go through a little progression real quick, and then I'll give you guys a number prior to the workout that we can get done in that minute. But first thing I want you guys to do now is we're going to go back to our single unders, but I want you guys to speed these things up for me, all right? So it should look like this. Really concentrating on letting your hands do the work and move those hands nice and quick as you guys are spinning the rope. So let's go ahead. Give me 30 reps of a quick single under. We'll get to the doubles in a second. Daniel's like, I got my dubs. I want to maintain these things. It's the only thing I'm going to do. Nice, Jen. All right. Now we want to go back to that high jump that we were working on in the warm-up. So, same thing, arms are close, belly's tight, but now we're just jumping a little bit higher, so we're going to have to slow down that rope again. Let's go 30 reps. Try to keep those legs straight, press the ground away. There we go, John. Bring those feet a little bit closer together. Nice. Hi, girl Lily. All right, so now we want to take that same high jump, speed up our hands, and try to turn into a double under. So we're going to begin. You guys are going to give me 2 singles with that high jump, and then try 1 double and then 2 more singles. So it's going to look like this. All right, so same high jump. When you get ready to do that single, bring those quick hands into play. See if you can do 2 singles, 1 double, 2 singles, and see if you can string together like 4 or 5 double unders within that, all right? Here we go. Nice, Andrew. Dude, it is a game changer with that thick rope trying to do doubles, isn't it, Mindy? Is that a girl? Think straight up rather than pulling those feet back just a little bit.
No, you gotta get aggressive with her. You really gotta.
Yeah, if you're like John, you can hold it all the way up here by the rope right there.
Yep. If I do it like this, show it with ball.
Show us that one again. All right, if you guys were able to do 2 singles, 1 double, I want you to try to go 1 single, 1 double, 1 single. So it looks like this. Give that one a try. Same deal. See if we can get 4 or 5 doubles within that. Yeah, Meredith. Okay, Fernanda, I see you over here bringing those doubles. Is that a girl? It's like you get 1 foot, not the other. So close. All right, if you're able to do that, I want you guys to try to string together multiple double unders. Let's see if you guys can get to 20 reps. Let's try for a set of 20 here. Oh yeah. Jen, as you start going, don't let those hands start creeping out, all right? Nice, John. All right. So like I said, in our workout, we're looking for a number of jump ropes that we can get done in no longer than a minute. So I'll check with you guys and come up with something we'll use there. Now what I want you guys to do is put that jump rope down. We're going to quickly go over our double under, or not our double unders, our burpees for our workout today. That's the next movement. This is what we're looking for with our burpee. All right, I need you all the way on the ground every time. I need you up and clapping every time. To begin with, we're just going to work on putting our hands on the ground pretty much right where our feet are at, or right close to our feet, jumping our legs back and coming to the ground, all right? So everybody, go feet shoulder width, hands to the ground. Nice catch over there, Jen. Hands to the ground, and then just jump your feet back and lay on the ground. Here we go, hands down, jump back. Nice. Now from here, I want you to replace your hands with your feet. So jump those feet right back up. Good. Now up and clap. Heck yeah. Let's do the same again. Hands to the ground. Feet go back. Replace those hands with your feet. Up and clap. Hell yeah. Give me 3 more reps here, team. Down and up. Nice. In our workout today, every time you get up, I need you to get tall for me. So instead of finishing only here, I want you to make sure that you stand all the way up. An easy way to do that is to look straight ahead. All right? Guys, good with that one? Same deal with our burpees. I'm looking for something that you can do in about 75 seconds or so, 80 seconds or so. So I might trim down some of the volume of reps there for that one. Now, let's all go on over this way to the pull-up bar. We're going to work on our toes to bar.